We're at Schneider Electric's Partner Summit here in Dubrovnik 2019, and I'm with Branko, who is the Data Center Project Manager at Advant. And you've just won an award for one of your projects. Can you tell me a little bit about it?
Yes, we just got an award for implementing a project for a company Telemach in Slovenia. It is a 1.2 megawatt data center. And we are proud that actually we implemented the project across different business units of Schneider Electric, starting from secure power and low voltage, middle voltage and transformer stations, a raised floor, complete Schneider Electric data center project.
And to give us some idea, 1.2 megawatts is a big data center in Slovenia, isn't it?
Oh yeah, the average data center size in Slovenia is, let's say, 60 kilowatts. So it was quite a challenge to implement such a data center for our company. We have great history with Schneider Electric. We are more than 20 years partner, starting with APC and later with Schneider Electric. So we received a great help also from guys from Schneider Electric, from cooling department, power department. So yeah, we managed to implement this project successfully.
Have you enjoyed the Partner Summit?
Oh yeah, very much. The venue is great, the weather was great, and also the content of the presentation is very interesting and useful for us.
Branko, congratulations and thank you very much.
Thank you.